Right, guys, it's another day, so let's continue. Sorry about yesterday. Let me just get this recording to the right. Sorry about yesterday. I didn't feel too well and have like some errands to run, so I have to take care of my family while I try to, actually earn some money on business on YouTube. So I try to set up a business of my own. But in fact, I earn nothing right now. So yeah. The best way to support me and support this channel is to give the video a thumb up and subscribe. Okay, just help me to reach the monetization goal. We are going to write some sort of code that can, just can get the audio playing functionality working, and I believe we already pretty much like record the WAV file. Okay, and what I'm going to do is to click and drag the WAV file right and wrong WAV file to here. Okay, you can just place it anywhere, doesn't really matter. Copy if you need it, make it a bit finish WhackAnything. Yeah, so when you click and drag the file that recorded, and it will just automatically show here, and you can do some thing about this. So first we have to extend the bundle and write an audio player function that can accept the string as a name. So basically you want to find this like a right or wrong, you have to use the string in order to find it, and of course you're going to set a specific volume for that. So what I'm going to do is to command N. Okay, I'm going to write just a Swift file as extension, and there is like convention in extension is that if you want to extend bundle, okay, you have to use a bundle and then extend it, extend it, and again, I'm going to extend a audio player. Okay, camel casing, really simple. Just need to create one, and you can get something here. And you can right click, showing Finder, and using Visual Studio Code to help you to write all this, because it basically is like a boilerplate code. So you have to use AV foundation in order to audio video foundation in order for it to work, and of course you're going to extend that. So extension, and you're going to extend the bundle because you're going to find that, and let's see the static var on your player get it and fatal error and do and catch, and then there's no return. We can use a function. Okay, let me just give it a more hint. Function of a audio player and we can find the resources. Find resources will be a string to find it. Yeah, with extension a string. Yeah, we can do that. We can do that because we can like specify the way or something else. And what is more? I want to adding a volume as well. So volume, sorry, float. Yeah, floats. Open one. Yeah, audio player, and we got the guard. Get a URL. So URL is like a resources location. Resource with extension new. Yeah, let's add with extension. I believe this is like a common practice to have a extension with extension. Sorry, and then add a volume as well. Volume, float, and audio player. Got let a specific URL. Let's accept this and check the logic just to double check to make sure. Got let a URL. Okay, URL, find the specific resources with extension. Okay, extension, and else return. Except return nil. If you can't find it, because the resources is like a default. When you install this app, it should be here. So if you can't find it, this app can't run. So instead of return nil, I'm going to else, and then just a fatal error. Okay, just to give you a fatal error, I'm saying can't find the audio file. Okay, we got like resources as well as extension. And you can't find the let's compile it in the bundle. Yeah, good. And then yeah, I'm going to exit it and then do catch. Let a player will be AV audio player, and yeah, try AV audio player content, or you get to pass the URL. Okay, that's good. So you can get a specific player, and the player's volume will be the volume that you pass. Good, and return on player. Else you're going to return nil or return fatal error. Yes, yeah, I return fatal error here. Okay, obviously we can't. We catch that error, so okay, let's just say error correcting was play for resources. Yeah, localized description. Yeah, good. And after we have set that volume, I'm going to say the player will be prepared to play. Okay, just to double sure about this. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back here, and then I'm going to use this audio. So first we have to sort of initialize the board. So where is the board? Yeah, the board is here, and let's find this like a variable section, and I'm going to game over task. Yeah, maybe just here. Okay, I'm going to say let the correct. Okay, I'm going to do in Copilot, just make all the whole process a little bit quicker, and make my money like worthwhile, because I subscribe to Copilot. I have to like use it. So yeah, that's our correct main bundle main. Okay, so we can use bundle main audio player. Good. For correct. Okay, so for correct with extension, except MP3, I'm going to see with wave. And I believe I also got some sort of like a volume. Do I have a volume to it? So bundle volume. Okay, we can specify the volume. So volume. Okay, the volume will be I don't know, opening 3, something like that. Okay, and let run volume open 3. Yeah, good. So we can find this round door wave as well as corrector wave. Okay, and after we initialize it, we're going to actually prepare it, play it, because we already prepared that for you. So let's go down, way down here. I believe when you actually tab this, you're going to play. Yeah, we comment out, but right now you can just make it actually play. So correct, we're going to play it, and wrong, we're going to play it as well. Hopefully this can work. If it doesn't work, and maybe there's something wrong with the extension, then have to like do the whole debug process. So finger crossed. Okay, I'm going to run that, and yeah, it must be unwrapped to refer to. Yeah, to run unwrap. Okay, we have unwrap, chain option action on new. Okay, force unwrap. Okay, can I just force unwrap it? Okay, just to get away with this, because I'm sure it will unwrap, and because we actually got some doubling in there. Can't find it. Okay, so can't find this audio file resources dot extension in the bundle, which is weird. It's giving me a fatal error. Okay, sorry about that. I got it working because the passing is not correct, but rather it's right and wrong. Sorry about that. Let's go back here. let's quickly make it, game over, and let's start from scratch. Okay, so yeah, restart this game. So if you,
Ouch. 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 Ouch.
yeah, it's game over. Yeah, you can even, adding one more thing. So for example, if it's timeout, let's add one more thing. So if it's let's go back to board, go to the next stage. Okay, so try wait. Okay, try wait, and if still out, miscount +1, and then you can play something like the like the I don't know, maybe hey, get away, like get away sound. Okay, dot play, something like that. Just like when you like the right play and correct play and wrong play. Get away. This is not a graceful way of doing this, but I just want to quickly test this theory. Okay, so get away and play, just like you've done here. So play and something like that. Okay, and I'm going to record get away. Maybe bye bye. Okay, I just record something really goofy. Okay.
I get away now.
Yeah, something like that, and you can edit this trim just to get the essence, the words like the
I get away now.
the essential talking part, and I can trim, and of course you can save it. Okay, and click and drag. Okay, and of course the same method. Just go to here. Okay, and hopefully we can use Copilot. How makes you save me a little bit typing. So we can say let get away bundle main. Yeah. Yada. Oh, yeah. So we can save it and go to here. Get away. Play. Nothing wrong with that. Just play this and let's check it out. Okay, so just wait for 3 seconds. 3 seconds or 2 seconds or 1 second. I'm not sure. Okay, let's start.
I get away now. I get away now. I get away now. Ouch. I get away now. Ouch. 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 I get away now. Ouch.
Yeah, pretty interesting, huh?
I get away now. Ouch. I get away now. Ouch. 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 Ouch.
And it's game over. Okay, it looks pretty fun. So yeah, next video, maybe I will just switch to other projects for now. Just show you guys how to use the image system in iOS development, and then we'll come back to this project and add that functionality later. Because I want the video of my tutorial to be like a painless, so you can like a step by step. Okay, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.